In this video, I show you how to fix sign in to confirm your not bot problem on YouTube. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for YouTube app, click on YouTube. Now update your YouTube app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then search for VPN. Click on VPN. Disable any VPN if you are using any VPN. Then click on private DNS. Turn off private DNS. Then save. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube. Click on YouTube. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube sign in to confirm your not robot problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.